Right, so let's start working on the jowl area. So after applying our facial oil to the face, lower part, and also side of the ears and the side of the neck, I'm gently just going to start again with a little bit of gentle tapping just to get the blood flow and circulation to the area. And I like to work in an upwards motion from the jawline towards the nostril. And then once we've done that, I'm placing my thumb under my chin, fingers above, and I'm just massaging now in an upwards motion towards the nostril. And then again, literally just massaging all the way along. If you can, when you have a resting face, or even when you're doing these exercises, if you can try to remember just to place with your lips, just place a little bit of a smile, just a hint. This will lift everything up rather than dragging everything down. And again, and then up and across, upwards motion. And this is a light to medium touch. Again, the facial oil really helps because you're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. One last time, towards the ears. May you want to swallow as you can feel things moving as you're moving toxins and waste within the lymph. So placing one hand as an anchor, and then my fingers are on the other side, and I'm just massaging in lots of different directions. What we're doing here is we're actually helping to release any fascia, any tight fascia within this area. It's a really nice, gentle massage. Whatever you've placed on your skin is also going to penetrate in even deeper. And then on the other side, again working upwards motion. You sort of work different directions, working our way up towards the nostrils area here. And then with the knuckles up and across. And then with the fingers just moving, literally in a sort of scissor shape, if you like, all the way along. And the other side. This is quite a lightish sort of motion, if you like. And then with the fingers, thumbs placed under, fingers above, we're just gently gliding along now, moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And then just massage the nostrils and glide under the cheekbone where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then again upwards, literally a nice face lift. And then just massage the side of the ears, glide down the side of the neck down to the collarbone. And then above the collarbone, just a few gentle presses just to release all the toxins and the waste we've moved within this jowl area into the body, ready for elimination.